Well, welcome back to Buckland Junction. It is Al. I am in the loft. Yes, I've had my hair cut. I was going to do a video on point work and electrics, and I was going to do some more track laying on the reversing loops, but I had a surprise emergency operation, so I was rushed into hospital. But I'm alright, I'm out, and so the wiring and the track laying will have to wait until next week. So I'm just having an easy weekend going camping with a good friend, with my grandson and his grandson, so that should be fun. Yeah, so today it's just a running session of the best bits over the last 2 to 3 months, so let's get on with that. And well, I say thanks to everybody. Dick in Nottingham, no, Mansfield, can I send that loco back to you? I'll put it in the post with some postage within it so you can send it back. I hope you don't mind. Split chassis or something else. So Dick, thank you very much. It's on its way. Take care now. Let's have a run session. Alan out. No derailing, please. As she comes. Yeah, she's done it. All the S15 has done it the other way. Look at that. It's definitely noisier with this ballast down. Lovely jubbly. Oh dear, not good timing now. Mark's at the controls, so take it away, Mark. Here's the driver. There goes the Q1. All untested, by the way, so let's see how we get on. Right. Next one away. Yeah, she's going. Okay. B17, here we come. Got to give her a rest. She's been working every day for ages now. And the J15, here we go, with crew. Okay. Past our new bit of scenery done by Mark, the static grass master. There goes his Q1, and here comes the J15. There we go. How nice is that? Yeah, a bit of lichen in here and it's going to be fine. Cool. Right, I'll get on the sandpaper and give her a bit of a polish up. Is there anything else? Yes, bang on time, the Q1's here. With a nice rake of goods wagons. And a Southern Region brake van. Come on Q1, where are you? There you go, look at that, straight through. You never can tell. Oh well, we'll have to be 17 yet again. Come on darling. She's turned out to be a real steady Eddie. Well, here's the black 5. Looking at it, she hasn't run for probably 6 weeks or more. I've just put her on the track, but I had a look at her wheels. Her wheels are quite dirty, so I'm not sure how she's performed. But you can be the first one away then. Hasn't run for 6 weeks or more, so don't expect any of everything. Yeah, look. Look at that. Oh, she's away. With quite a massive load really. So see how she gets on. Well done. I like this Q1, but every time I touch it, things fall off. Look, there's no front steps now. They've both fallen off. Oh, past the black 5. Okay, let's get things running. There goes the black 5. She is a lovely mover. Anything else? Through the new scenery. With the sea in the background. Oh yeah. the terrier on a lightened parcels train of only 3 wagons, because she's only a little tiny little loco, and it's about as much as she can handle up and down the gradients. I would like to say what this is, but I keep forgetting. I know it's an MT, mixed traffic tank, but don't ask me what class, what number. She's on the sand train. Right, let's get some more things running. Oh, good timing. Hey, look at that. There goes the little terrier. Such a well-behaved little loco, that. There she goes. Right, let's get some more running. There she goes. So dinny down. A little bit noisier, but doing a splendid job. Steady on, darling. Steady, 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 steady. That's it. Right, 5, 6, 12, and 13. Okay, I'm going to bring this video to an end. I think it must be getting quite long. I've had a great running session this afternoon. So let's end this video very soon. Come on, Q1, where are you? Where are you? I know she's here somewhere. She's going for it. That's the grandson's 125. That's more scale, isn't it? Well, cheers everyone. I'm sorry my plan didn't go to plan. While I was in hospital, I done a bit of drawing for my grandson, so that's it. off for the weekend in the camper van. Take care, good people. That's Alan out, and thanks.